Hello, my name is Katerina Zourou and I'm the host of a hackathon on the topic of citizen science and language education. The hackathon took place during DIgiEduHack, which is an umbrella initiative for hackathons all around Europe. It took place at the end of November 2020. Participants belonged to two cohorts. The first group was university students at Aristotle University of Thessaloniki. These students were carrying out studies in language education. So they will be future language teachers. They did either bachelor or master's studies. The second cohort was students at the University of Peloponnese who belonged to two programs. The first is the Political Science and International Relations, and the other is the Department of Social and Educational Policy. So you can see that we tried to bring together students who belonged to the same university, but who had different profiles and backgrounds. What we consider to be innovative is that we expected from the future language teachers to create plurilingual resources that would be used by language learners by considering a citizen science approach. The innovative part about the students at the University of Peloponnese, who were learners of French as a foreign language, is that they were able to develop their language skills in French while learning about what citizen science is. It is also an opportunity to stress a bit the fact that in social science and humanities, citizen science is not a very well-known topic, and we believe that this event, this initiative, our hackathon, was an opportunity to raise awareness about citizen science, and not only to raise awareness, but to enhance the creation of language learning tasks, language learning resources that would be used by our participants, but not only, because all the solutions are made available publicly. Another dimension of the innovation that we believe this initiative had was the collaboration with university lecturers. So our hackathon was embedded in university degrees, which is also an innovation in the sense that university curricula are not easy or quick to adjust, but it is thanks to our collaborators, Dr. Galani at the University of the Peloponnese and Dr. Moussouri at Aristotle University of Thessaloniki, who were eager to combine this innovative approach of the hackathon into their regular mainstream curriculum of studies. I would say the fact of having to address two target groups, right? That was our biggest challenge. But it was something that through smooth collaboration with our mentors, who have successfully went beyond that pretty quickly. In the teaching profession, it is very important to inspire our learners to make them better prepared as active citizens and as individuals who will have an active role to play to society. So adopting a citizen science approach in teaching languages is very important because we target two very, very important aims. The first is the development of language skills, but also the development of active citizenship skills. abilities for individuals to build collaboration skills that are very important in citizen science, or also digital skills, because citizen science coincides with digital activism also, and the fact of building approaches that combine languages and active citizenship into the language education curriculum.
The colleagues of my team were students of different ages and from different backgrounds. Plurilingualism, and which provides the best breeding ground for fresh ideas and interactive activities or games for children and young people. I think that this is an opportunity for my career and academic career, and can give me the tools and the knowledge to continue my studies and my career as a teacher also, and not only for me, and for our team generally. As postgraduate and undergraduate students of the French Literature Department of Aristotle University, we have the benefit of participating in the course of plurilingualism. Our professor Miss Moussouri, had already transmitted to us the knowledge and the values of plurilingualism, and moreover, how the object of plurilingualism and didactic can contribute and coexist with the object of citizen science also. For me, and I think that for my team also, isn't it a stressful activity, because we do it with good organization. We concrete times of work, but we worked we worked together as a real team, and the final result, it was amazing. And that's no stress. There's a great perspective to implement this innovation in other fields too. We worked on biodiversity and environment as a university team, but my opinion is, and my belief, is that all the educators or teachers can use the hackathon for their methods in their classes. For example, the fields of culture can be used as motivating topics for the teachers and the educators also, who want to transmit different messages and values of culture for humanity. The aim is to bring closer kids and adolescents with common goals from all over the world, and win and come closer all the people.